Okay. So as we work our way into sector rotation, 2 weeks of indecision in the market, followed by 1 week of heavy selling. So that's what we got coming into this week. But as we talked about with technology stocks, Envidia lifted tech stocks and held the bid after reporting. So held the bid is a language that is kind of unique to our community. So I just want to really explain what that means. So you can see actually Envidia actually pulled back after this unbelievable run of energy candlesticks when the year started. We actually ended up having the bullish gap here. And what we mean by holding the bid is that buyers are supporting that and not allowing it to pull back like it allowed it to pull back here. So when you see a stock go up and go sideways, that's actually a really good sign. That means that they're holding the bid. Okay, so we want to kind of break this down a little bit more. They've also entered the AI conversation, which we're going to get into that in a second. So Envidia AI, read a little bit deeper into Envidia earnings, and you'll see that AI started to come up into that conversation. More than just the chip stock now. So now here's the thing where we're moving our way up the power pyramid. So we started to talk about sectors and Envidia. We went to the market, technology, QQQ, went to technology sector. Now we're working our way up to industry groups, and we're going to specifically say, put these other semiconductor stocks into a watch list with Envidia. The more they're doing the same thing, that means that there's smart money pushing money into that group all at the same time. Again, what is the biggest challenge that we all have as traders? How do I know when to hold my good trades longer? How do I know when I should be adding to those winning trades? And it really comes down to making sure your software is set up properly to tell you this big group of stocks, they're all doing the same thing. They're all green at the same time. They're all green for this week at the same time. They're all green from They're all green for the month at the same time. They're all above the 20-period moving average. However you determine, you identify order flow in the time frame that you plan to hold the trade, which is actually a big part of that conversation today in the daily ticker about breaking down how to identify if something's obvious or not, right? So have a list. That is one of the secrets to trading. I hate to use that word secret, but the secret is in being prepared. And once you're prepared, knowing what you're looking for. So when we talk about these other stocks going now up into the industry group, okay, AMD, Micron, Qualcomm, and Envidia, all in that same group. So put them together. And as long as they're doing the same thing across time, you can have a little bit more confidence. And again, we break this down in a much bigger way here where we're talking about, and we kind of get all the way over here, the not so secret. And you could spend your own time. Again, you can click below the link and get this daily ticker and read that detail. But I want to continue with sector rotation. Okay. So now we're looking at Envidia. We're looking for the semiconductor stocks to hold the bid this week, right?